Hi guys, Vardha here. I have another 4x6 card for you today, and there are so many interesting things happening in this card. This particular stamped and die cut picture and these leaves, they were made using some of the papers I used as practice papers for my previous cards. I just love the color combination and the ink blending so much I decided to reuse them. The second interesting thing is these die cuts, they are made using Alt-E new dies, and the dies are connecting the flowers and the leaves. I simply colored in the green parts using a Copic marker. And then for the background, I added a background with tone on tone, and I had one older Hero Arts ombre ink pads in gray, shades of gray, and that's what I used for the background. A lot of different things happening here. I hope you like it. And the most interesting part, these flowers, I got the inspiration for them from my own yard. I have tiny little wildflowers growing right in the middle of my vegetable raised bed. That's where that came from. I hope you like them. Enjoy.